I'm gone, getting gone, yes. We hit the club, this cup's full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging a T.I. And I'm in the bad and I got it in dear. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this is like, cleans it all. Yeah, run the blood, she's not so innocent. You know that bad, watch her blow a whole bag. She gets away. She just turned 25. You could have it your way. No, no, no. I'm going way in, out in.
So I hope na lahat ng mga pangarap mo is matupad. Isa ako sa mga pag mo na sana maging successful ka na.
Iwan ko lang salita sa iyo, trust in the Lord with all your heart, acknowledge Him in all your ways. Happy birthday.
Hindi naman sayang kasi talagang matalino ka, ipagpatuloy mo yan at nawa matupad yung pangarap mo. At isa pa, wish ko sa'yo, bawas-bawasan mo yung kain, ha?
The farther in I go, the closer I will be. It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life.
So sa mga nakapunta, syempre napaka-grateful ko po. Think na nakapagbigay po kayo ng time na maka-attend ng ng debut ko po.
To see you shine, it's your golden hour. You slow down time.
Happy 18th birthday, sweet! More blessings! Bye!
Let's give a hand for Daddy Algie.
Her name pa lang, Sweet Diamond. Parang very rare na makita yung ganong marinig yung ganong pangalan. Sa name pa lang, it's meant from heaven talaga galing. No?
She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine falling like I did for the love of my life?
Kita mo talaga sa kanya yung pagiging malambing. Tatanong niya, Mami, pagod ka? Tapos sa tuwing gabi, lagi niya ako minamassage. Tapos hindi ko nga nakikita, hindi ko pa nakitang nagalit yan. Napakalambing na bata.
My life, she's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam and
Happy birthday, DM, and I am proud of everything you've accomplished. Again, happy legality to you.
you shine. It's your golden hour. You slow down time.
I know na hardworking ka, and turuan mo ako mag-drawing, yun lang. Happy birthday!
Mas mahal pa nga yung ano nito budget nito kaysa sa wedding namin So, di na ako nakatanggi dahil settled na lahat
Sana may maligaya kang taon sa iyong 18th birthday.
MDR Production, Digital Photo Films.